Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back. As part of the today's lecture, I just want to show you a simple report which was generated by Karate right after the execution. So this is what a sample get scenario that we have. I'm just assigning a tag name for that. Let me copy the tag name and directly I'm giving my tag name in my runner class. So in my runner class, I'm just passing Karate options wherein which I'm passing the tag name. And let me try to run my test script as a JUnit test. And whenever we are executing the test script, once after you find a complete information in a console, now go back, expand your project, refresh your target folder. And inside the target folder, you have a Surefire reports. And inside the reports, karate summary.html. I'm just opening this report with an system editor. And if you can see here, basically one got a passed and zero got failed. And this is what the time it executed. And if I click on this particular one, the more details about the scenario. Demo runner is the tag name that I have given. And this is what the scenario name it is. And it took these many milliseconds to execute the individual chunk. So this is what the URL that you have given. Additionally, this is the method that you have given. And this is what the post. Okay, so this is what the get response is, and you are validating with a success code as a 200. For suppose what I'm doing right now means I know the response code is 200. Wantedly, I'm changing it to 400 and I'm trying to run my test script to see how exactly the failure looks like. As we have already opened the report, we no need to relaunch it from there. Simply click on a refresh button. So here, this is what the new report it got a populated stating that one scenario got a fail and the status is a 400. If you click on that, basically, if you see the details out over here, the status code was a 200 and the response that was expected as a 400. That's the reason you are getting this as a failure. So this is a default report which is being populated by Karate. If you want, you can use this report, or in the upcoming sessions, we are going to see how exactly we can customize the reports as well. Cool. That's all I have, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you.